Assalamu alaikum to all of the viewers. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study another topic in the WH questions, which is what. So let's begin with the topic. But before starting the video, if you are new with our channel, please subscribe that, share it among your friends and press the bell icon so that you will get the new updates. So the definition of what is used to ask a question about a thing, right? And the same WXSV will be the structure of what. So first we will use W, then X, then S, and then V. So WXSV, what does it mean? As I told you in the previous videos that W stands for what, X stands for auxiliary, S stands for subject, V stands for verb, and then complement and question mark. So my first example is, what is she buying? वो क्या खरीद रही है? The second example is, what is Ali making? Ali क्या बना रहा है? And the third example is, what are you watching? आप क्या देख रहे हो? How can we change the same structure to the simple present tense? Instead of is-mr, we will use does do. And instead of verb ing, we will use the base form of the verb, the first form of the verb. So my first example is, what does she buy? वो क्या खरीदती है? The next example is, what does Ali make? Ali क्या बनाता है? And the third example is, what do you watch? आप क्या देखते हो? How can we change this structure into simple past tense? It is quite easy. Change the auxiliary does do with the auxiliary did and use the base form of the verb. So my first example is, what did she buy? उसने क्या खरीदा था? The next example is, what did Ali make? Ali ने क्या बनाया था? And the third example is, what did you watch? आपने क्या देखा था? How can we change this structure into the modal auxiliary can? So instead of using did, we will use can. And verb will remain the same, first form of the verb. So my first example is, what can she buy? वो क्या खरीद सकती है? The next example is, what can Ali make? Ali क्या बना सकता है? And the third example is, what can you watch? आप क्या देख सकते हो? Hope that you have learned it very well. Inshallah, I will try my best to teach you more interesting topics, but be with us and subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon.